How to update Aadhaar card online? Name, address, gender, date of birth. This audio video post uploaded for learning and informational purpose and read description. Step 1. Log on to https://www.uidai.gov.in website. Then scroll down and under Update Aadhaar option, select Update Demographics Data and check status. Or log on to https://myaadhaar.uidai.gov.in website. Select login option, then enter your 12-digit Aadhaar card number, but don't share details with anyone. Then enter captcha code which is showing on screen, then select send OTP option. Then OTP message will become on registered and active mobile number which is linked with Aadhaar card. Enter that OTP number and select login. In top right corner also can select language of this portal. Step 2. After successful login on My Aadhaar website, select Update Aadhaar Online option. Then select Proceed to Update. On this website can update name twice in a lifetime, date of birth once in a lifetime, gender once in a lifetime, address anytime and language anytime. Then select which you want to update and select View required valid documents related to proof of identity, proof of address, proof of birth for uploading. For update your address on Aadhaar card online, select address option, then select proceed to update Aadhaar. Then above it will be show your current address on Aadhaar card. Scroll down below. Details to be updated. In this column, fill up the details. In first column, enter your new address, and in second column, it will be automatically translate into regional language. Also, you can manually type in regional language. Care of house, Bingling apartment details, street, road, lane details, area, locality, sector details, landmark details, area pin code, village, town, city details, district and state. Then select which valid address proof document need to be uploaded. After select which document you are going to upload, then a message will be shown on screen, documentary advisory. Read it properly and select OK option. Then upload your document manually or from DigiLocker. Then select next option. Then new address preview will be show. Then check properly. If okay, select tick mark. Allow UIDI to correct any transliteration related inaccuracy which may have occurred. And I hereby confirm that I read the instruction carefully and the information provided by me to the UIDI is true and correct. Then select next option. Then
scan as JPG, PNG, PDF file and properly and readable condition. After that, click on you can find more information on the payments, cancellation, refunds process here. Read it properly, then select I hereby confirm that I have read and understood the payments, cancellation, refunds process. Then select make payment option in below. Then make payment using net banking, ATM card, UPI or any other mode which is available currently. Then download the acknowledgement slip. Also can check form details, payment history after re-logging into this website. And note down SRN number. For acceptable supporting document for proof of identity, proof of relationship, proof of date of birth, proof of address, link is given in description for helpful purpose, check that. And
certificate for Aadhaar enrollment is required if going to certify through gazetted officer group A, village panchayat head or mukhia, gazetted officer group B, MP, MLA, MLC, municipal councillor, Talshidar, head of recognized educational institute, superintendent, warden, mentor, head of institution of recognized shelter homes or orphans, EPFO officer. And if going to update through Aadhaar Enrollment Center, Aadhaar Enrollment Correction Update Form, that is also given in description for helpful purpose, so check those and log on to uidi.gov.in and share your feedback and suggestion in comment section below, or log on to abhivideosdigital.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching or listening or reading.